Consider enhancing your team productivity by offloading the building process to network hardware using Unity Build Server. This will help your creative team build the project as often as needed, allowing them to iterate more automatically. As your Unity project grows in size and complexity, generating a build consumes more and more time. If you are using your development workstation to build your project, you will lose productivity while your team waits for the build to complete. Unity Build Server runs Unity in batch mode, exclusive for building Unity projects. Team members can request builds on demand at their own pace. This reduces the wait time for bug fixes and releasing new features for the testing. Building on separate machines reduces each developer downtime and allows everyone to iterate more quickly. Both Unity Pro and Unity Enterprise subscriber can get access to Unity Build Server. Unity Pro customer can get add-ons packs while Unity Enterprise customers receive a number of Build Server license based on their existing enterprise license. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.